Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing with you the second two-dimensional transformation technique, that is rotation. Now basically rotation is nothing but rotating an object along angle theta. Okay, so rotation is basically rotation. The term rotation means rotating an object along angle theta. Okay, now there can be two types of rotation. One is clockwise, another one is anti-clockwise. Okay, now for clockwise rotation we will have a particular formula to calculate the affected or the new coordinates, and for anti-clockwise we will have another set of coordinate values. So let's see first that what are the formula for calculating the new coordinates after rotation. Okay, so first of all, for clockwise rotation. Okay, so for clockwise rotation our new coordinates x dash and y dash will be given by cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta, and this will be multiplied by the original coordinate xy. Okay, so this is for clockwise rotation. For anti-clockwise rotation we have x dash y dash, that is equal to cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta multiplied by x y. Okay, so these are the formulas that you will require to solve problems on rotation. So let's solve a problem. So we have a triangle whose coordinates are 0, 0, 2, 4 and minus 3, 4, and we have the angle of rotation as 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so we will rotate the triangle in anti-clockwise direction by 90 degree. So first of all we need to write the values of sin 90 degree, that is 1, and cos 90 degree, that is 0. Okay, so now we will calculate the new coordinates for each set of coordinates here. Okay, so first of all for 0, 0 we have x y dash equal to, this will be 0, minus 1, 1, 0 and 0, 0. So this will come out to be 0, 0. Okay, so our new coordinates is x dash y dash is 0, 0. Now for 2, 4 we have x dash y dash equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 0 into 2, 4, that is equal to minus 4, 2. So our new x dash y dash is minus 4, 2. Simple multiplication of 2 cross 2 matrices. Okay, 2 cross 2 and 1 cross 2 matrices. Okay, so next the final coordinate, that is for minus 3, 4 we have x dash y dash equal to 0 minus 1 1 0, and here minus 3 4, that is equal to minus 4 minus 3. So our x dash y dash is minus 4 comma minus 3. Okay, so basically our triangle was like this. Okay, this was 0 comma 0, this was 2 comma 4, and this was minus 3 comma 4. Now let's see how our new triangle looks. So for our new triangle, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's plot the points. So the first one is 0 comma 0, so it will be here. The second one is minus 4 comma 2. So minus 4 comma 2, that means here. And the last one is minus 4 comma minus 3, that means here. So our new triangle is this one. Our original triangle was like this, and it has been rotated to 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction, that means in this direction. So it's now like this. Okay, so this was all about rotation. See you in the next video on scaling, and do subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon to get notified about my upcoming videos, and do like the videos and share them among your friends. Thank you.